All right, what is good, YouTube? What's up, Primals? What's Liver King say? Primals. No, I'm back. I'm back, and I apologize. I had a lot going on, but no excuses. Taxes, teeth, Tinder. It doesn't matter. It's all behind us now. I want to look forward. I need to, it's my duty to give a lot of time to YouTube, give a lot of time to content creation. And that's why I'm trying to do longer form stuff where I can talk, a little bit slower, as opposed to everything just popping out and being all flashy and trendy, which is all great, Short form's good, but in addition to. So I want to get back on my long form, get back to really just talking about the market, what's going on, what I'm trading, what I think's going to happen. And right now, more than ever, we were calling it a John Wayne market, which it was, but now it is more than ever. The indices don't even line up anymore. SPY just goes up and down, or then flies up at the end of the day. But it's all good. I've gotten a hold on it. As choppy as it is, there's still opportunities. Today, I saw BBBY bounced off its all-time low of 34 cents. It was already up probably 18%, but it sort of consolidated midday. So I popped in there, and then boom, it ran up another 20. It's up 6% on the day, between normal trading hours and after. So that's major. That's one of those plays where I actually feel comfortable trading it. I'm familiar with it. I'm profitable off it. And I just know the sentiment buying there is nuts. More than even AMC or GME, when that one gets going, it just continuously runs. And everything has a price point, even though it's the company itself is bankrupt. They're closing stores left and right. All that is going on. Everything has a price point. And talk about Reddit, small street bets, Wall Street silver, everywhere, every subreddit, every thread, there's people just I don't know where they get this money, $500,000 on BBBY calls. So the sentiment behind it is unlike any other. And I like that play. So I picked up that. I'm big on that. I tweeted out BBBY buy off the momentum or something. And, even from when I tweeted it, it's up 26% or so. So that's good. My Boyle play is coming alive. I like that entry at 340, 350. Now we're pushing. Now we're printing. NVIDIA keeps treading. It hasn't mulled over. So my SOXS, I'm holding. We're still sub 20. I probably won't start shedding until we're 25, 26. But I'm still up, which is good. I'm not raking in profit on the daily because semis are holding relatively. So, that's all right there. And then what else? What else do I got going? SQQQ sub 30. I was patient on this one. I saw it today, $29.99. Grabbed a whole bunch of that. So that's really where I'm holding at right now. BBBY, Boyle, SQQQ, and SOXS. So much going on, but I have a duty to make videos, to talk about content, and to trade, which I do. I'm always trading, even if I'm not pushing out as much videos. I'm always trading on the go. I just have so much coming at me too. The apps, the subscriptions, everything's just alerting me throughout the day. I realize that creates a lot of noise. I'm spending a lot of time on StockTwits or Reddit or Twitter. I know enough fundamentally what's going on in the economy, what's going on with interest rates, inflation, earnings. And I also know technicals, the trends, the patterns, what have you. So I need to stick to that and only trade a real handful of stocks for a period of time that I'm comfortable with. No need to, chase new names or do this or that. Stick with what you know. And the key is stop losses. I'm back using my stop losses. Risk management is back where it needs to be. And I've been trading Forex more, which, I like a lot. I feel like I'm developing my skill set a lot more there, which is good. Oh, Trump NFTs, number 2, Series 2 dropped today. So I had to buy that. Fool me one time, shame on you. I won't get fooled again. Those 10x'd. And you can just go on buy Trump NFT or whatever the website is and pay with a credit card. All you need is an email address, credit card, none of this MetaMask, this, that. Because I wasn't really in the mood for that. I just want something straightforward. And that popped up today and I was like, okay, the writing's on the wall here. Like the TradingView watch I got. And I flipped that. The writing was on the wall. So those opportunities, keeping cash ready for anything that comes at me. I'm going to be playing the VIX a lot more later this week, this upcoming week. Earnings has been choppy in a nutshell. I think Netflix, they lost subscribers. They might have slightly beat earnings per share, but the stock went down 8%. Those plays are all about subs. And I guess they cracked down on the password sharing. They lost some subs. Those plays are all about subscriptions and what they report and their outlook. And he was like, he wasn't too confident. So it shot down like 8-9% at afters, but ended up flat in afters, or maybe, a percent up. So that was super, just the definition of chop. I said a long time ago, this is the John Wayne market. This is most definitely now the John Wayne market. So yeah, stick with what you know. Don't get influenced by all the noise coming at you. And stay focused. I have a lot of good plays going right now. I'm back, back in the gym, back feeling good. Tinder, teeth, taxes, they're all behind us. We're rocking and rolling. Weather's getting warmer. I'm moving into a new place. I got a whole new setup for the studio. It's going to be mint. Not moving into a studio. Big place, but it's going to have a studio. I want to be clear there. Otherwise, yeah, we're rocking and rolling. A lot of good stuff out there. So continue to follow me on Twitter, StockTwids. Look out for those alerts. I'm still going to be making short form content, but it's all about the long form in the long run. I need to develop more of a relationship with my viewers and engage with them more. Tell them about what's going on with me, yada yada, where I've been, and all that. And yeah, short form's great. Everything's popping, trending. The noise is great, but it's great in addition to, and it shouldn't be solely the only content that I'm pushing out. So, hey, I'm happy to be back. I apologize for the delay. To the absolute moon.